This is the kickoff for the holiday season, and this is what we're going to kick it off with, is a Hot Toddy. And this is the grandfather of all hot cocktails. It is so easy to make, simple and comforting and cozy. And all you will need is either whiskey or bourbon or scotch. You'll need a bit of honey, not a lot, just enough to sweeten up the cocktail. And then you will need hot water and lemon and cloves. And so let's get started. Get out your mugs and get them ready to make a hot toddy. I hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope that you are ready to relax, or you're planning to relax after a hectic day, because this is a relaxing cocktail. And you'll remember maybe a year ago or so, I made a cocktail that was just mulled wine, and I found that to be wonderful. So if you're not a lover of whiskey, scotch, or bourbon, then try a mulled wine. So I'm going to put that mulled wine recipe at the end of this video. So if this is not your thing, then you will enjoy a mulled wine. So let's get started, because this is a super simple cocktail. It won't take long to make. So what I have done is put hot water in these mugs to warm up the mug and get it started, because you don't want the cocktail to cool too easily. So let me pour this hot water out and we'll start from scratch. So now that the mug is warm, we're going to pour more hot water in it, which makes absolutely no sense, but about 3.5 ounces in each mug. And I am really just guessing at this, because I've made these several times and I can tell about 3.5 ounces, 4 ounces, somewhere in there. And then you'll want to add 1.5 ounces of either whiskey, bourbon, or scotch. I have chosen whiskey, and this is Maker's Mark. And you'll find this is a handmade Kentucky straight bourbon, and you may really enjoy it. We do. So we're going to put about 1.5 ounces. That looks about 1.5 ounces-ish to me. And then we're going to make, maybe that's a little more than 1.5 ounces. We'll divide that out. Yep. Okay. You don't have to be exact on these cocktails. It's not rocket science. It's just a cocktail. We're going to, you can smell that. It smells wonderful. Now we're going to add maybe about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of honey, depending on how sweet you would like your cocktail. So I'm just using a little Demitasse spoon. I don't have one of the little honey dippers, so I just, maybe a little dollop here, a little dollop there. Don't get too serious about it. We have the honey and we have the whiskey. What you want to do now is take your lemon slices. I have sliced these not too thick, not too thin, but I'm going to add a bit of lemon juice before I do this. Just a squeeze here and a squeeze there. And then I'm going to take cloves and I'm going to put them into the lemon slices. I'm putting 5. It doesn't really matter. If you're a clove lover, just put as many as you want. And then I'm going to float that on top to the side a bit. Make a beautiful lemon wheel with cloves. And it's a beautiful garnish, and the scent of the cloves and the warm water and whiskey and honey. All you need is a crackling fire, or candles, or snow. It is wonderful. It smells so good. Oh, I love it. You're going to love it too. I'm going to put a tiny bit more honey, just to sweeten things up a bit. And that scent is wonderful. That's so good. So I am wishing you the happiest holiday weekend. I also want to invite you to come back next week because we're going to start decorating for Christmas. Happy holidays.